Welcome, in front of me I have Sharp Aquos Sense 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. And when the Sharp logo appears on the screen, we can release both buttons. Now let's use the volume down button to scroll down through the menu and select wipe data/factory reset, then press the power button to confirm. Here scroll down to OK and press the power button again. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.